Let me introduce two useful prompts for creating pivot charts and pivot tables. Show data insights and add all insights to grid. These prompts are already quite well known, but they are so helpful that I decided to include them in the useful prompt series. As this series grows longer, I believe that some people might eventually use it as a resource to organize their work. After selecting the table you want to analyze, click or input Show Data Insights. When you click Add to a new sheet, the corresponding pivot chart and table will be generated on a new sheet. If you want to receive different data insights, click Can I see another insight? When you click Add all insights to grid, various pivot charts and pivot tables will be generated simultaneously. Users who have struggled with creating pivot charts and pivot tables can now easily do so using simple prompts. Please consider subscribing, liking, and leaving a comment.